So I just got this question, okay, on my email where somebody was asking me how can they actually make about $1,000 from home in Nigeria. Now, while a lot of people might be thinking this might be very complicated, or it is something that is not actually achievable, or it is actually achievable but they don't know what to do, all right, I see the need just to share, okay, some of my ideas, all right, with some of the people who have been asking some of these important questions and they need clarity on. Okay, so in this video we're just going to be going over it step by step, and also Sonny, my colleague right here, is also curious to know some things. There are some things he actually wanted to ask me, and I also want it to be on camera right here because we are doing some shoot for our agency and all that. So I actually want to clarify some of these questions that a lot of people have been asking me that I don't find time in terms of answering them, maybe when I'm doing some of my make money online tutorials. Okay, so this is more of like an entrepreneurship video where we talk about online or digital entrepreneurship. So if you're looking at making money online, okay, let's say $1,000 to $5,000 from home, all right, in Nigeria, you might be thinking that is so difficult, but if you know what you're doing, following the right roadmap, okay, it's not so complicated. Now, if this is your first time watching my video on YouTube, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos like this one, and I do make money online strategies on a consistent basis. If you like videos like this one, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell icon, that way you get notified whenever I upload my next video, okay, that is value packed, because I definitely know there's something you're going to be benefiting from this video. So when you subscribe and hit the bell icon, you'll be notified whenever I upload a valuable video like this one. That way you don't miss out on anything. Give this video a like. I'll appreciate it if you smash the thumbs up button right now. And also you can throw your questions in the comment of this video. Okay, just let me know what you think about this content in the comment section down below. If you have any questions for me, okay, do feel free to answer them, because sometimes I could be making some of these videos and I can answer some of your questions also. So with that being said, let's dive right into the topic of today, and we'll be looking at how you can actually make money from home in Nigeria. Okay, if you're a Nigerian, you're looking at making money online, all right, we'll be looking at some tips, okay, and some business models you can get started with that are actually profitable, okay, and not so complicated to do, that you can start using to make money for yourself. So first off, one of the major ways I recommend anybody, okay, from home in Nigeria to make money, all right, you don't want to be making money from the comfort of their own home or going to an office and all that, but if you want to be making money online, one of the major ways I personally recommend is for you to build an actual skill, all right. This by building a skill for yourself, because a lot of people just say, I don't have time for a skill, I am too old, I am this, I am that. Okay, there are so many excuses a lot of people have in terms of building a skill, all right. People say they don't have that time, they just want something quick. I just want to make money today, I need to pay my rent, I need to pay this, I need to pay this, all right, which is not a good move, because you can't actually make money while you are desperate most times, because once you are desperate, the only thing you're looking at is just how you're going to get the money. You forget every other thing else. You forget there's value to provide. You forget there's so many other important things that is needed to be done to enable you to get money for yourself. Okay, so trying to make money in desperate times doesn't actually work, because you're not focused in learning, you're not focused in seeing the bright side, you're just focused on getting the money, okay, without actually learning anything, okay, because the money don't come that way. The money comes when value is exchanged, okay. When you exchange value, money come your way, okay. It's more of like reciprocity. I talk about this a lot, okay. When you put out value and all that, you get money in return. Look at everybody making money in terms of the brick and mortar businesses. They do so by providing some form of value. If you go to the salon to make your hair, okay, or to get a haircut, they provide some form of value to you before they collect your money, or that is the way they actually make the money, by providing some service or doing something of value to you, okay. So when I talk about skill, okay, building a skill is my first recommendation. It's one of the major and the most important thing I talk about. This can be in any industry, okay. You can pick something that you know that has high demand online, because there are lots of things, there are lots of problems online, okay. If you go online, you see a lot of problems that you can provide solutions for, okay. If you actually have the skill, then you can go ahead and render your services, okay, or you can create a product around some of these problems and start making money for yourself, as long as there's a problem. So building an actual skill is one of the most important areas. Sonny, you wanted to ask something?
Yeah, I want to ask a question.
Yeah.
Okay, speaking as a professional, that's
Okay.
speaking from what do I call it? Speaking
Your own point of view.
From your own point of view, what would be the best skill you give to a beginner? What's the advice you give a beginner? The skill you tell a beginner to start with. I think you can start making any money as soon as possible for him. So
Okay, I will say this, like, we are almost beginners in everything we're just saying for the first time, okay? Because there are some things that we get to come in contact with, or some things we just fall in love with that we're actually beginners for, okay? So in terms of a beginner who is just getting started, what I can recommend, okay, or the type of skill you can go into, yeah, that's your question, right?
yes.
What I can recommend is to do something, okay, that you know that other people are making money from. All right, that is what I think first. Do something you know other people are currently making money from it. Okay, it is lucrative, there's high demand, all right, and you know that you can actually do this thing and contribute your highest potential. Okay, you can get started with that first. Okay, while doing that, you can also start discovering yourself, start knowing yourself very, very well. Know what works for you. Know how will I put it? Know what works for you very well. Know what you're passionate about. Know what you really, really want to do in your life. All right, and start investing little of your time into those things, because some other people might tell you, yeah, go after your passion first. Okay, yeah, I've also said that in the past about going after your passion, but on the long run I get to understand that going after your passion, okay, without money, okay, without resources, can be quite difficult and stressful, okay, and you might not actually achieve your passion. But if you have some resources, okay, if you build up some skills that can help you generate money, okay, while going after your passion gradually, then it will be easy for you. So as a beginner, what I recommend you do is to look for something that you know that it resonates with you. It's something that you don't feel bad doing, okay, that is good, and other people are also doing it to make money. Then you can now start discovering yourself, know what your passion is, and transition into your passion gradually, okay? You don't just want to jump at your passion, all right? Transition into it, because your passion also can possibly make you money, okay? That's if your passion is not going to look for birds that have different colors in the forest, all right? So depending on what your passion is, you can actually use it to make money. If your passion is all about being in front of camera, talking to people, providing value to them and all that, you can actually use that to make money also. So like I said, so my entire point, okay, just like, I hope I answered your question.
Yes.
So my entire point, okay, is for you to enable you to start making money in Nigeria, especially $1,000 and above, okay, from home, all right, using the internet. The first thing I recommend is to make sure you build a skill, all right? Build an actual skill. The second thing I can recommend to you is to learn some of the business models that exist online, like affiliate marketing, job servicing, and other skills, or the other e-commerce skills that is existing online. You can learn any of them and get started with them, all right? Now, some of these skills actually have different segments or different areas. Just like I talked about building a skill or getting started with a skill, your skill also can be marketing. You can learn marketing, because if you're good with marketing, it is easy for you to become an affiliate marketer. It is easy for you to promote products online. Let's say you have your own drop shipping store or your job servicing business, or let me say your Shopify store, because Shopify is popular, a lot of people know about it and all that. As long as you have a marketing skill, okay, because what I teach, what I recommend to my students is make sure you're good at marketing. Forget all the different business models existing online, okay? The most important part is getting good at marketing. Once you know how to market, communicate, and put products in front of the right audience for them to buy it, okay, then you can be making money on the fly, okay? It is easy. So you can actually build a skill in the marketing space. And I have a program where I get to help people. If you're a newbie, okay, I have a program for a mentoring program for like $10, okay, and I have a mentoring program for like $300 for those people who want to take it to the next level, okay? So I'm actually going to link that in the description of this video if you want to learn marketing and how to promote stuff online and sell different things online and all those cool stuff. So the first thing is build an actual skill. Another one is you can learn any of the make money online strategies and see the area that you can actually fit in, okay, and hire people or work with other people all right, to grow the business from there. Let's say if you're not good with marketing, okay, you can be good with administration, or let's say you have the finances and all that. You can work with other people to grow the business. That way you can be making $1,000 or $2,000 and above, or $5,000 online from home, even if you're in Nigeria. Now, you might be looking at some challenges. Now, there are so many challenges online, especially if you're in Nigeria. Okay, based on my experience and those of my friends, okay, that are in Nigeria also doing businesses online, we have loads of challenges we face. Okay, there are a ton of them. If anybody tell you that it is rosy, no, it is not. All right, it is not that easy. It is not rosy, but it is easier if you know what you're doing, if you understand some steps, and if you've actually experienced some challenges before in the past, then it could be easier for you. All right, some of the challenges, I'm just going to run through some of them that are off the top of my head. Okay, like one of them is payment processor, or getting payment for the money to come to your hand can be challenging. Now, I have a lot of friends, okay, that are making money online right now. When they got started, okay, they were actually good with marketing. They're actually good with what they do online. They're actually good in performing certain tasks. Okay, let's say the ones that are good with graphic design, video editing, the ones that are good with 3D animation, they are actually good with what they are doing, but it is difficult for them to get money in their hands. Some of the reasons is because they are Nigerians, and some people in the Western countries tend to frown at Nigerians because they have a mental image about Nigerians. Okay, so that can also affect you. That is like a challenge. That is why a lot of online marketers get a lot of problems when they are trying to do businesses with people or with other big brands or big organizations abroad, because once they know that you're Nigerian, they might look at you a certain way. Okay, so that is one of the challenges. Another one is payment processor, getting money in your hand even if you're good, and all that. There are so many other challenges we get to face as a Nigerian. That is why guidance is very, very important. Mentorship, where somebody guide you and tell you what to do. Okay, so you can look for somebody out there. There are a bunch of Nigerians. Okay, you go on Facebook, you see them advertising their own strategies, okay, that they've used to get money, or to run paid advertising, or to do Facebook ad and all that. You can get some of those programs, okay, learn from them and see what they're doing. Okay, there's something to be learned from everybody, trust me. Okay, there's something to be learned. So you can get some of their programs and learn from it on how you can also replicate some of their results, okay, and start getting results for yourself. Now, another amazing way you can make money in Nigeria that I recommend, or that I look at majorly, is doing affiliate marketing. Why do I say affiliate marketing? Because you don't have to create the product, you don't worry about customer care, you don't worry about so many other things. All you're basically doing is just connecting somebody, okay? Connecting someone from a particular platform that you notice that they have a pain point, connect them to their solution. That is basically it, okay? And as a Nigerian, it is easy to do. It's not that difficult. Just recommend somebody, all right? So let's say, for example, because you might be promoting a product online, and your product actually, the target audience is those Westerners, people in the US or UK and all those countries. And let's say they don't want to buy from Nigerians, okay? You might be having challenges from there, all right? But if you're an affiliate marketer, it is easy, because all you're doing is just connecting. When the prospects see that, okay, when you meet a prospect online, or you advertise some of you advertise a product online using paid advertising like Facebook and Google or YouTube, okay, when you put up ads, all right, and recommend people to a product, when they click, they go to the product, they are still seeing someone else, they're not seeing you, okay? And when the person buy the product, you're getting a commission. So it is easy that way. And another thing again is, you will now make sure, okay, and another thing again, you should make sure that any product you're promoting, one thing I recommend is, when you're promoting product, you should try to promote product that gives you passive income, okay? Products that actually give recurring commissions, okay? There are a bunch of them out there. I prefer digital tools, okay? You can promote digital tools. That way you get commission over and over, as long as the person you recommend to that product stays signed up, okay? That way you continue to get commission over and over again. So these are some of the ways, okay, you can actually use to make money from home if you are in Nigeria, okay? These are some of the ways to make $1,000 and above if you are stay-at-home mom, dad, or somebody who just wants to do this as a side hustle business. So it's not that hard to do, okay? And it's something I believe that if you put your mind to it, you can actually pull it off. There are so many other opportunities out there online. If you just go online and check out online opportunities in Nigeria, there are a ton of them out there that you can get started with to make money online. So with that being said, my name is Francis Abogonye. I hope I answer your questions. I hope I've cleared the air in some of the questions some of you might be having in mind to ask also, and I also answered Sonny's question also. And I feel better right now because I've answered a lot of questions and I've been talking a lot today. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. Hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so you get notifications from me whenever I upload my next video. That way you don't miss out on anything. And if you have any question for me also, let me know that in the comment section of this video. You can check the description of this video for some useful resources that you could find helpful, okay? Some of them are my affiliate links. You can choose to buy a product through those links. I get a commission when you do so. It's a way of me saying thank you, or it's a way of you saying thank you for some of the value you're also getting from this channel. So my name is Francis Abogonye. Until next time, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Stay strong, stay beautiful. Peace.